The tank line ahead.
Okay, let the sickies catch up.
God, my PC lagged so hard. Okay, I'm back.
Keep going, guys. As far as they know, we're just another colonial tank. Go, sickies, go.
Tanked.
One dead.
Turreted.
Get this LTD if you can.
I'm doing it right now. Dead!
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Is it 3
Go work,
tanks?
Leslie.
Destroy the tankette, Foxhole, whatever the fuck it's called.
Did we destroy our tank since it's...
Highest destroyed one.
Yes,
Small one.
please do. It's already disabled, they're gonna capture it if we don't.
Yeah, sticky out tank, sticky out tank. Oh, never mind.
Or, yeah.
Can I get a extra patrol, please?
It's open. Pad 26.
Okay, if you don't know where we are currently on my stream. There's a BB.
Leshy.